What can AI actually do for me?
A few weeks ago, my dishwasher stopped draining. There was standing water in the bottom and I had no idea why. So I did what I've been telling everyone to do, and I opened ChatGPT. I sent it pictures, I described exactly what was happening, and at one point, I even pulled out the filter. And honestly, it was disgusting. Food, grease, everything you'd expect from a filter that hadn't been cleaned in way too long. I remember thinking, well, this has to be it. But ChatGPT didn't think so. It told me, hey, the filter probably isn't the issue. So I kept following the troubleshooting. Next thing I know, I've got tools out. I'm removing parts. I'm checking components I'd never even heard of before. And the entire time, that filthy filter was sitting on my counter. Finally, I've had enough. I stopped and I looked at that filter again and I thought, this thing is disgusting. I don't care what AI says, I'm cleaning it. So I scrubbed it, put everything back together, hit start, the dishwasher drained perfectly. That was it. I could have walked away thinking, AI got it completely wrong. But after thinking about it, I realized something more interesting. AI didn't ignore the filter because it was trying to be wrong. It ignored it because it was trying to be thorough. It started chasing less common possibilities before eliminating the most obvious one. And because it sounded confident, I trusted it. That experience completely changed how I troubleshoot with AI. Now I start every conversation the same way. I tell it, start with the easiest, cheapest, and most common explanation. Don't move on until we've ruled it out. That one instruction has saved me hours. The lesson wasn't that AI can't help. It absolutely can. The lesson is that AI doesn't always know where to start, or in this case, when to stop. Sometimes you just have to tell it how to think. And once you do, it's a much better partner. I'm Robert, founder of Pelican Intelligence, built here in New Orleans by a special operations veteran. Our mission is simple: help you get your time back with AI. I'll see you next time.